Vote, the Honorable Senator Aquino, Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa, Senator Escudero,
Soto.
Senator Ejercito, Senator Estrada,
Escudero.
Senator Gatchalian, Senator Go, Senator Contiveros, Senator Lacson, Senator Lapi, Senator Ligarda,
Soto.
Senator Marcoleta, Senator Marcos, Escudero. Senator Padilla, Senator Pangilinan,
And I'd like to explain my vote now.
Senator Soto, Senator Tulfo Erwin, Senator Tulfo Rafi, Senator Villanueva,
Escudero.
Senator Villar Camille, Senator Villar Mark, Senator Zubino.
There are 19 votes in favor of Senator Francis Chis Escudero and 5 votes in favor of Senator Vicente Soto. Senator Francis Chis Escudero is therefore elected President of the Senate. Senator Francis Pangilinan.